Hey folks, so people have been asking me, Ross, what happened to that Army Jeep you were working on? Well, today was a good day to give you an update on it since I spent a little time turning some wrenches on it. Yeehaw, listen to her purr, huh? I just had the starter rebuilt, put back in there, rewired the battery, and I think she's ready to go for a ride. First time in a while. 1952 Willys M38a1. It's a hot day out here at Tecopa Mines, but Jeep had to be fixed, so let's take it for a roll, and maybe when I come back I'll put the hood back on. Power steering would have been so nice to have. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Brakes. Yeah, the brakes kind of stop it. There's a compressor, commode for cars, other cool artifacts. Valley, hello. Yeah. Woohoo! This thing's a ball. There you go. At least she's up and moving right now under her own power. Still got a lot of work to do on it, both cosmetically and mechanically, but we'll get her there. And eventually, when I don't need the Jeep anymore, when all is said and done, it'll be turned over to one of the reputable military museums for long-term permanent display, someplace that promises to restore it, not part it out. And that's going to be the same goal for the ambulance and any other museum quality military equipment that I can acquire out here. Is I plan to use it out here, and when I can't use it anymore, it goes to a military museum. Stuff's never going to be parted out or sold off to private collectors. It's going to stay in the public purview where people can see it. So that's my goal for these machines, and for now, the Jeep is just a lot of fun to play with out here. Sure is hot. It's going to hit 107 today, but summer's just starting. Welcome to the desert, Death Valley. But ain't complaining. I'm having a lot of fun with the darn thing. So, of course, you wouldn't say that if you'd heard me an hour ago cussing as I dropped the starter bolt under the vehicle for the 4th time in a row. But fun's fun. Until next time.